Hi, my name is Andrew, but today we have some problems, but we'll get to that at the end of the video, so stick around so you can see what's happening. But now we're gonna be planting some seeds. Stupid stick! So, each 10 days, we're gonna be planting beets, so we have them throughout the fall. But first, I need to show you one of the problems. So we're just gonna come over here. So this is our seed starting mix, but yesterday we had a lot of rain that it flooded. So we need to make some new ones. We just need to dump it out to make some new ones. So now we're gonna take some of this dry seed planting mix and we're just gonna start putting it in here. Then when we're done putting all of the mix in, we are gonna mix it up. So this is gonna take a while, so see you soon. I'm just starting mixing it. But we're probably gonna need some more water. So here you can see that we put Pro Mix in for our seeds. So now we're just gonna get a bit more in. So now we're just gonna get our pot. Then we're just gonna get a nice big handful. Then we're just gonna put it in. A couple because my hands are small. And by the way, I learned this from watching the Veggie Boys. If you watch that, you should really check out some more of their videos. They're really good and probably better than me. But if you're new to this channel or theirs, please start watching more of my videos and we need some more subscribers. So now we're just gonna put some holes in so we could put the seeds in. So these are the seeds that we're gonna be planting. And last time we planted these, the seeds are really big. So we're probably gonna put 2 or 3 seeds in. I'm probably gonna put 2 in. So yeah, I'm putting 2 in. Probably could have done like 3 or 3, but 2's a lot easier. So we can go grow beets together and it'll be just fine. And boom. So now I'm going to be covering them up with more soil. Oh, I need to go turn on the faucet. Whoa. Again. Is it off? Now I'm going to take these to our little greenhouse. So my dad realized that there was a vine needle eating the vine of my pumpkin. So we needed to cut it off of the plant. And actually, right there was a hole, but before the video we covered it up. So I feel really sad, but so this is why we needed to cut it off. So this is why we needed to cut it off, because if we didn't cut it off, the big pumpkin that's now turning orange, and it wasn't in the couple of our last videos, so we need to cut it off or else this would be like that. So if you could, I would love if you could pray for my giant pumpkin, because I really wanted to make it, but it probably won't. And make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.